All right, so I have a hex cam that I've already put into my assembly. I've already constrained it to the axis, to the planes I need to constrain it to. And now I need to add the transitional constraint between this, but there's a problem that comes up that I want to show you. So we hit constrain and do a transitional constraint. And if I pick the face of the hex cam first and then click the follower, I get the nice little click. I apply it, I zoom out. Problem is I'm stuck. It's staying on only on that one face. If I look at it from the right here, all right? If I try to turn the cam, I'm stuck on that one face. That's a problem. And it has to do with the order that I make the transitional constraint. We always want to do the follower first. And I think that applies to more than just one cam, but it comes up especially if there are corners. Always do the follower first. Okay, so I made the wrong thing. I'm going to go to my browser, model browser, transitional constraint. I'm going to click delete to get rid of that, and I'll try this again. So constrain, transitional constraint. I'm going to choose my follower first, and then choose the side of the cam. Get the nice little dink. And we will try this again. Now it goes over the corners. All right, so follower first.